Ekero charagire chinsa ikomi chabona marogo bachingo kwarene SMS ito ya magana mayekerere chitariki 25 otinyo watano watatu mbako jirubene 22 ekero chi county 45 chanyorira bagabana babo bono bago basoiro bisibene na gochaka emiremo buna bagabana bagochikora ase myaka 5 erebosio ayani gagocha maiga ya bagabana bonsi 45 gotianiwa ituko liarero ase county awasense yeito ya Kenya ase county ya Kisii moneri ya Nyamira itatu maiga ase boiga bagabana be county yu Paulo Simbarati be county ya Kisii amo na umugabana be county ya Nyamira amo sinyalibo neranyara county ani gubene lituko liarero na kwari ende ngomanyi amanke bananyara ka watuka imena isko ya gusiu ko bodikwanena ikaranso ike elinde ngwerera mona mange yona nabo kwenda kutubwatia sense media mitandao Facebook tonyola Ndizi TV News Digital baiga sense ya YouTube nabo tonyola Ndizi TV News ko nyola chinga kinabo to tweet @Ndizi TV News baiga kerengel kyando to gero ntikirenza kireteka wetera sinamba ira seskini yora sense media yo murwe manyererio nigakorwa choshouta niriane Brighton Makoli. Ebinto byonzi ni gobikirana asiji county meronkene na isana sense ito ya Kenya kero abagabana banyara bagotiani gubene na gosobisi irigo cha kemirimo yo korera abananji gosaba menyi bejinsemo awo ase county ejo awo ase county ya Kisii wono county ya Kisii nigo yanyoro mugabana obo kabere kero umo Paulo Simbarati nyara kautiani gubene na koira chira chokora county ya Kisii ase myaka 5 erebosika ukwana ase county ya Kisii na segetike usi stadium nigo bana tebiro ni chigokora emirimo ya yabuya anene goikirani chira chiri anyarite gakoliera abagusi ekerale ko kire ekoko yokoliye kiro ekiyobugavana ase county ya Kisii.
Been elected as the governor of Kisii County, do hereby confirm I have read and understood the specific leadership and integrity code prescribed for the state officer in the county executive of Kisii. And I hereby commit myself to abide by the provisions of the code. So help me God.
Oyo no mugabana we county ya Kisii Paulo Simbarati keranyaraka koire ira asegeti kyagusi stadium nante aturaiwa na kibona nyaraka kuri chira chugo kora magendero anene chira chiri alirete abagusi ekerale gokore campaign yayo kuri ekirogo ekyo
mwajegetinge mbiyamole gango to kuana negano lekero monta sare ngambi amole. Thank you. An honest and candid conversation about what is ailing our county and what we must do to make things work again. Today, right here, now, we are embarking on the journey of not only actualizing the covenant we made with you, also asking you to work with us as we implement our socio-economic and the development plan for our county. Our covenant with our people of Kisii County was based on 5 pillars, namely 1, devolution and government, wealth creation, sustainable development, and developmental conservation, social development, enablers, and ICT. Ladies and gentlemen, a country that is angry and sick is unproductive. It cannot be complete with a fast-paced and ever-evolving Kenyan society.
Homo yagabuno yino korekana se county ya Nyamira ekero mugabana bwe county yo amosi nyari banda nyaraga ko bekerwe gutwari tukrero na gosobisi ase myaka 5 erebosio moroberio yo gosebuno moroberio yo korekana muri kito cha mange na enda tutware ni robot yoru yoni goro chikonyora asenjera yobone gosesenjera yobukira rugekuraga ense ya muyabona marobaba igo tonyora asense muyamaro tujikonyora yikuru asense mo ya Nyamira kolende ase county chinde omoyegabuno yino gendera ase county ya Nairobi, county ya Nakuru, county ahambake county ya Embu ekero abagabana abanyara bagotiani guna gosobisi asina worobaira chira cyo chikoreta magenda Rasi County gitetre ngo kyabagabana banyara bagukwana anekera banyara bagutiani gubene ku Rasi County chinde.
That I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office and that I will do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya, without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God. Kama kaunti tunachukua katika mahali ambapo mstahiki Mvurya ameiweka kaunti mahali ambapo inaonekana. 2013 tukichukua serikali hii tulikuwa tuko zero, lakini kwa sasa hivi kaunti ya Kwale inasifika kwa mambo tofauti tofauti. Ya kwanza ni mpango mzima wa basari wa elimu ni sasa. Nataka kuhakikishia Wakwale ile basari ambayo tuko nayo sasa hivi ya milioni 400 imeendelea kunyonywa kwa sababu wanafunzi wamekuwa ni wengi. Nataka niwahakikishie ya kuwa mimi pamoja na bunge tutaendelea kuongeza pesa ile.
I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Governor of Machakos County. That I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office. And that I will do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya, without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
At this point, Your Excellency, President-elect and all the leaders here, I want to acknowledge my competitors, especially my friend Polycarp Igathe, who I sat with recently, and he excused himself for today saying he's traveling. I want to acknowledge him because many of you might not know, but really running for office is above all an act of patriotism and courage. And like any race, the best political contest challenge candidates to their very best and to the end of their wits.
I, Honorable Mutula Kilonzo Jr.
Do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Governor, Makueni County.
That I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Governor of Makueni County.
Hamange bunemege yagenda si county yetu au ni gojgonyorage koragense ya mayabana marawa gotosuka korwandi Steve ne robon smoksi ekorto koska bosio ni go muraibuense mojore William Ruto ne rai kiranase county ya Nairobi ekero mugabana we county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja arego tiani gurit koria bene asomo yego yo Ruto ni ganyara ka tabuna osini ganyara ka gotogia ba Kenya ne nekerbanyarite ba kwa chora basubati koira ebirugo byobogabana asijinsemo aho asinera ahali eira buna serikali yae nechikwenda kuna ngubwateranire na bagavana erikwemeke birengo bya uchumi ibyense ya Kenya.
In this election, the people of Kenya made yet another historic decision. From the 3 governors that were elected in 2017 that are women, we now have 7 women elected as governors in the Republic of Kenya. And I want to say congratulations to the women of the Republic of Kenya and to those who have been elected as governors. Very special congratulations to Fatuma Achani, elected governor of Kwale County. Very special congratulations to Cecily Mbarire, the elected governor of Embu County. Very special congratulations to Anne Mumbi Waiguru, the elected governor of Kirinyaga County. Very special congratulations to Governor Faith Kawira, the elected governor of Meru County. Very special congratulations to Avinya Ndeti, the elected governor of Machakos County. Very special congratulations to Gladys Wanga, the elected governor of Homa Bay County. And of course, very special congratulations to Susan Kihika Mburu, the elected governor of Nakuru County. To all these great women, we wish you well as you take over the responsibilities of governor in your counties, and to all the other governors that have been elected in the Republic of Kenya. I want to say just two things to our governors, starting with my good friend Johnson Sakaja, that you will have the undivided support of the government of Kenya as you discharge your responsibilities in your counties.
Voigo Ruto Yoro Murayo Machode Winse ya Kenya ni kati abune serikali ya ene chikuriri na ki ibangira nyarki gusangirwa sense ya Kenya irigo konya chi county anne kerbara chikobeke mirobeli ya bene gwanjeri konde gotayo ose oyoro manena ase serikali ose oyoro moke igona te abune bachikobeke mirobeli yo sangiri bango asenjera engia.
I also want to commit that we will work hard. I have already discussed with the Kenya Revenue Authority on how to raise revenue. And I commit that we will work together with you so that Kenya can live within its means. And there will be no tall men or big girls, that the rule of law is going to equalize every Kenyan so that each one of us can pay their taxes. There will be no exemptions on anybody on account of paying taxes. I want to commit that going into the future, the rule of law will be the benchmark, that all of us, irrespective of who we are, will be expected to live by the rule of law.
Egarotogotikana nensemi ya siasa ni gotogotwa sensemeri yegisemia somo wasiri wegisemi Professor George Albert Magoa anyaririga kubori abarimu banene kubwaterana n'abayibori anene elikwene na gisukuru gogendera kira sorogongo rwa ensito ya Kenya kaukwana ekeratarire county ya Kisii gosekera ikase skuru ya Tambaje yigotoka sensemeri ya Marani ni goteberu na nerebuya abayibori na borokiwa kubwaterana elikwene kya buna mirobiri skuru gogendera boigo Magoa ni gatabune serikali ni gebegete mirobiri abene kwene kuna emirobiri aho ngogendera gisukuru anene ekeramatemo manene aroberi uchokorekana umwakoyo.
That we continue really to support our children as we move towards the examination period, and that where you feel that a child has capacity to pay fees and is not paying, please engage the parents. We are now in an area of technology where I believe most of the parents have cell phones, and rather than asking the child to go home to collect the money, you can engage the parents, and like this morning, if the parent is not cooperating with you, you can escalate that to my officers in the field and even as far as Jugo House, including to myself, so that we are able to engage the parents on behalf of the children. I want to thank profusely the great majority of school principals who have continued to midwife our children during a very, very, very serious economic period, which is basically not anybody's fault. Moving forward, I am hoping that everything stabilizes and we move towards having the exams at the time that they have been regimented to be taken. I have interacted with quite a number of children in the field, and in my most humble view, they are ready for the exams even now.
Ayo na yechinsa ikomi na ngo ikero mweli obwo magana ibina twakwarganirie ku Rwanda Steven Ero Wansumusi no kubona genda kuri Rwanda Steven Ero Wansumusi mirobiri ito yakirali tukekero engo kwargania SMS magana maya ngo tebuna gekoraga ense ya muna nuchko yanyora ayo amona mange bana ndate watka imena isko yagusi anekera bagabana bono basoiro bisina go jakemeremo ya bono ya bobene asinsieto ya Kenya nekera ba Kenya baganyite kuna chogwe kina keria Supreme Court anenekera mo wasmiro moyo wan Kenya boire tororo ende torona ngaki omurayo machore na chikwenda okole meremo osinande tokwira na asete bego bwa musi yo ni gotoka Supreme Court igoni gotende tokwanya twaro morogo bomu ya ime ya Ndizi